Hello, Tommy. It's time to play a game. Do you see that phone over there? You have 3 minutes to unlock that phone, and you're free. If you fail to unlock that phone, all your search history will be leaked to your friends, family, and everyone. Live or die. The choice is yours. Hello, Tommy. You have 2 minutes left. Oh, and if the phone gets broken, and you can't unlock it in the next minute and a half, then your search history will still be leaked. Congratulations, Tommy. You are now free to go.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about.